2. It's exactly the same for an L.E.D XR5 Turbo as well, or an ST225 facelift version in Europe. What we normally do is we take the original red fog light out and we fit a left-hand drive car's reverse light. So that gives us the clear lens so that they both match. But what we're going to do is we're going to fit an overlay harness so that we can have twin reverse lights, and we're going to get rid of the normal bulbs and put some high-power white LED one so it really lights it up. For me personally, it drives me nuts. I've got factory tinted windows. They're dark as because it's privacy glass, and half the time when I'm reversing I can't see anything. So fitting the twin LED setup makes life a lot better. Okay, so this is what you get in the full kit. You've got a brand new clear fog light, pair of LED bulbs, and then the adapter loom. We do sell just the adapter loom on its own. These are an option, and that can be sold on its own. So you can watch this video just for fitting that and retaining it as a fog light, just for the red bulb instead of two white ones. Only tool you need for this whole job is a pair of side cutters or scissors, and that's just to cut these two cable ties. So the way that this works is you're going to unplug the original factory one, plug this male end in, plug this back into your original reverse light. You're going to run the loom up behind the bumper and plug this into your other one. Real simple, take you 5 minutes. Right, so we're just going to remove the bulb from the lens. Just going to grab it, twist it anti-clockwise, pull it out. Now there's a little retaining clip here for the connector. Lift it up. Unplugs, there you go. Same deal on this side. Grab it, rotate it anti-clockwise and pull it out. And then we just want to disconnect this. Leave your bumper on for this job. It's just easier for me to show you the retaining clips with the bumper removed. So this is a second-hand bumper that we just had laying around. The lens is real simple. It's got 2 tangs here, 1 there. So you want to just put your hand underneath so you don't drop it, push that back one in, and then with your other 2 fingers you kind of got to release them all, and the light just slides out like that. Alright, so with the replacement light, there's a dowel there, hole there, hole there. If there's rocks and dirt, clear that out, otherwise it won't clip in, but you literally just line it up. Clip it in like that, easy. Now we're going to take our loom, we're going to plug this end in till it clicks, and then we can start to feed the rest of the loom up behind the bumper and through. Up and over the crash bar support bracket up here. Take our bulb holder, grab the bulb, twist anti-clockwise, it comes out, chuck our new LED in. Refit our bulb holder, it only fits in one way because of the prongs. Pop it in, turn it clockwise, take the connector and just plug it in. Same with this one. As easy as that.